Welcome back, folks, and we are now at the exercise number 2 in the Unit 9G, the last section of the Unit 9. Alright, so we're gonna start reading the text. This is an essay text look like when we, this is also a form of the opinion essay. So they will give us a topic that we will have to write an essay like that to share our thoughts about that topic that has given by the test. Alright, so now let's read the text about agreeing that money can buy happiness. Alright, do you agree that money can buy happiness? Let's read. Alright, in most parts, sorry about that. In most parts of developed world, people are richer today than they were in 50 years ago. But has money made them happier? This is a question we need to answer. I firmly believe that money is not the most important thing in most people's lives. They regard friends and family as more important. For example, if you are feeling miserable about a friendship that has ended, money cannot help you. What is more, it seems to me that the rich people are often the unhappiest. If money really could buy happiness, the rich would be the happiest people in the world. Judging by the stories about them in magazines and on TV, they clearly are not. On the other hand, money is obviously necessary in today's world. It is very difficult to be happy if you do not have enough money for things like holidays. However, to my mind, it is still positive to be happy and relatively poor, as long as you have enough to buy food and clothing. So in summary, I would say that money can improve the lives of people who do not have enough to live comfortably. However, money alone is not enough to bring happiness. Love and friendship are far more important. Alright, so I have read through the text about the situation of money can or cannot buy happiness. Alright, so the writer have written, shut up. The writer has written the essay about that. So now we're gonna discuss things the parts in the opinion essay so that we can know the structure, how to write it, so easily tell, how easily write. Alright, so let's start. Next one with the exercise number 4, shall we? Exercise number 4 right now. Add the highlighted expressions in the essay to the learner's box. Alright, so we can see a short learner's box right over there. And now we're going to put the highlighted phrases like we have 3, alright? I firmly believe. What is more, it seems to me. Alright, so we're going to put those 3 phrases in 3 blanks. Alright, so first we have alright, giving an opinion, we have 2. Giving an opinion, we have, in my opinion, I think that, as I see it, or I firmly believe. Alright, we have I firmly believe. Or, one more we have, what is more? No, that's a question to make the situation have more things to discuss about. So, it seems to me, alright? Alright, so the last blank should be what is more, but in this part is about introducing an additional point. An additional point means the things, extra things we want to give more to the reader about the thing that we're gonna discuss about. Furthermore, phrases like furthermore, not only that, but blah blah blah, moreover, or what is more, like in the text we have used, like they have used. Alright, so we have finished the exercise number 4, learn this box. So now it is the writing section. Alright, this is important. Writing exercise. So I'm not gonna let you write the an essay based on the subject that has given in the book. I will not give that situation because it is quite hard. I will give you the situation more familiar to you. It is about this. You're going to write an essay answering this question. Do you agree that banning students from using mobile phone, means smartphone, in schools is legal? Means, is it okay to ban students from using mobile phones in school? Alright, so decide if you agree or disagree. Then think of 2 or 3 arguments in support of your opinions and 1 argument against. Think of supporting statements and or giving examples for each. Alright, so we have the plans right over here. It will help you to write an essay, an opinion essay. Write the essay from about 200 words to 150 words. Following this plan, use the phrases in the exercise number 4 and in the exercise 4 on page number 71. Also, an exercise number 4 on page 71. It is in the unit 7G writing for and against essay. We have the part of the learn this box, so you can look back at that. Introduction. Introduce the topic. Show that you understand the title of the essay and what the essay needs to cover. Meta paragraphs. Give your own opinions with supporting statements and or examples. What is next? Penultimate paragraph. Give an opposing view with a supporting statement and or example followed by a counter argument. And the last one, the final paragraph, the conclusion. You need to mention the opposing view, then restate your own opinion. So you just need to write the essay just correct form and the structure of this, and just the same as the one in the exercise number 2. Alright? After you do that, you need to check your work. Have you given your opinions with supporting statements and examples? Included opposing view, counter argument. Follow the advice for writing a conclusion. If you check that out, means you have a very good writing of opinion essay. Alright? So if you're doing that, means we have finished our tonight's show, and thank you so much for tuning in. And remember to review 9G and prepare for next week's lesson. It is the unit 10A, brand new lesson. Turn your book to that page to prepare for it. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye and good night. Alright, thank you so much for watching this tonight's episode. And grab your water, and we're gonna cheer this day up. And by the way, if the Vietnam team has won, congratulations. And if we have lost, don't be worried. This class will help you cheer up. Cheers. Feel better now?